Hey, welcome to another. It's midnight on a Sunday and we're loading out for a trade show, but I still got to shoot a video of a client unit before it gets shipped tomorrow. Yay. Anyways, we're Minnesota Implement. This is one of our post setters for setting up poles for pole barns. They are also used in vineyards for ripping out arbors and dead branches and stuff like that. So this is a telescopic arm. You can pull the pin there, and you see there's a couple of holes down the length of that stick, so you can extend the stick out the side. So this sits ahead of your tire on the side of the machine, and then you can extend it out about 2 feet or a little better out to the side of the machine as well. For, like I say, setting pole barn poles, or for ripping vines out so you can drive down through your aisle on a vineyard and pull the vines out without having to turn to get into it. It also works good for pulling road reflectors and posts along a roadway, because you can travel down the length of the roadway to pull those posts. And like I say, this is a manually extendable arm. This one is a 10-inch by 10-inch jaw. We make them in 8-inch by 8-inch and 10 by 10 jaw for in very similar designs. And then this one also has a set of rubber plates in here, because this one's going to BMI pole buildings, and so he's using it for putting poles in for building new buildings, so he didn't want the Mars in the poles. But those plates just bolt into there, so that's one of those options that we have on a lot of our tree pullers or on our post setters and stuff like that. Those rubber jaws also work really nice for pulling T-bar fence posts or other things like that. But like I say, it's a modified version of our buckthorn tree pullers and post pullers, but it's extendable and allows you to set poles and hold them while the concrete dries and such, or maintain vineyard runs and stuff like that. So this one is skid steer mount. We can build them for utility tractors as well. But like I say, we're Minnesota Implement. We love to build custom equipment. This is actually not custom anymore. This is one of our standard products that we actually have on our website and on our flyers. But it did come out of a original request from a vineyard for maintaining their arbors and such. And now we found it works really well for setting pole barn poles. So we're Minnesota Implement. Check out our website for all of our other products for skid steers and utility tractors. And check us out on YouTube. We've got a Minnesota Implement YouTube channel and Facebook and all of that. And if you know of anybody that's looking for skid steer or utility tractor attachments, send them our way. MinnesotaImplement.com. Thanks for watching.